Hello everyone, this is Parks the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we want to do something pretty unusual for us. We want to talk about fashion for the young generation. Kate is the one who presents the young generation. We make a lot of garments for young girls in my fashion house. The thing is that we don't usually get a chance to talk to them about modern fashion. Our customers know what they want. They usually bring us pictures of garments they want us to make. Of course, we do help them if they ask us to, but they usually don't. Modern customers are pretty confident of what they want to get. Anyway, we wanted to make something stylish, and I don't think that such clothes would look good on us. This is why we asked Kate to come here. We've already talked about the design. Kate wants an evening dress. She wants it to be puffy, and she also wants it to be made of strong fabric. She doesn't want to make any unusual details. She wants the dress to be of a very simple design. Today we will choose fabric for the dress, and Ira will take measurements of Kate's body. We'll show you a series of videos about this dress. We'll show you some of the sewing process, the first fitting, and a review of a finished item. Kate is a new person for you. Get used to her. We're going to sew more than one dress for her. We're also going to sew a casual dress for her. When I asked her what she wants it to be like, she said that she wants something simple. Maybe we'll make a skirt and a top instead of a dress. We're not sure yet. You know that simple designs are in trend now. We looked through some fashion magazines, but the clothes they show are too complicated. We couldn't find anything suitable here. Anyway, let's start working. First, Ira will take the measurements, and then we'll choose fabric for the dress. We've already prepared several different fabrics. I'm sure that one of them will suit Kate. First, we'll take the measurements of Kate's body. We need to do it in order to make a basic pattern for her. Ira will take the measurements, and I will write the numbers down. Watch what she's doing. First, we need to tie a cord on the waist. What a waistline! The first measurement, the neck base, 34 centimeters. If we were doing it off the camera, we would ask Kate to take the t-shirt off. We can't do it now for obvious reasons. The bust, 83 centimeters. The next measurement is the waist. Be very attentive. The dress should fit Kate perfectly. This is why we need to be very accurate. The waist, 61 centimeters. What a body! Kate could be a real model. The hips, 92 centimeters. Next, we need to measure the arm circumference. Raise the sleeve and turn to the camera. Right-hander should measure their right arms, and the left-hander should measure their left arms. This arm can be more full. The arm circumference, 26 centimeters. Next, we need to measure the width of the back. It's much more convenient to measure it without a t-shirt on, but we know how to do it this way. Notice how Ira adjusted the t-shirt. Make sure that the person is relaxed when being measured. This is the only way to take the measurements accurately. The width of the back is 31 cm. Next, we need to measure the length of the shoulder. Measure the distance from the neck base to the tip of the shoulder. Have a look here. Imagine there was a straight line here. This is where we should stop measuring. The length of the shoulder, 13 centimeters. I'll also write it down that the shoulder is straight. The length of the back should be measured down from the neck base to the cord on the waist, along the center back. The length of the back, 40 centimeters. The bust height, 32.5 centimeters. And the last measurement, the bust width, 17 centimeters. We took the measurements of Kate's body. Next, we'll show her some of the fabrics we have in my fashion house. As I've already said, Kate wants the dress to be made of strong fabric, so we will show her some joggered fabrics. Have a look at the first one. I think that the color suits Kate. Pink, blue, silver. The fabrics looks very beautiful. Anyway, I think that is too much for Kate. I doubt that a young girl would put such dress on when going for a walk with her friends. Try this one, it's more simple. Oh no. No. Too much silver. Don't even show me fabrics with gold. What about these flowers? They also make the fabric look very light. Well, I don't think that it's the one. Have a look in the mirror. The color suits Kate. We want to make a very beautiful dress. This fabric is okay. Let's have a look at the other one. The color is very beautiful. I like this one. What do you think? The dark blue color suits Kate. There will be beautiful flowers at the bottom. We can make the gray detail tighter. I think that Kate will be able to wear this dress for a walk, to a university, to a theater. A dress made of this fabric will be versatile. Let me see how the dark blue color looks on you. Very beautiful. We chose the fabric. I can't wait for the first fitting to show you how this dress will look like. How long do you want the dress to be? Till the knee level or shorter? Shorter, okay. Ira will measure the length and we will start working. We have all the needed measurements. We chose the fabric. Kate wants a puffy dress of a pretty simple design. I like that. Simple designs are in trend now. This is Rufacoli fabric. Rufacoli is one of the most famous Italian textile producers. The color is very beautiful. Dark blue and gray colors look beautiful together. The dark blue color suits Kate. The other fabrics we showed you are also very beautiful, but they are more dressy. We can't make casual dresses of them. There is too much silver in them. These fabrics are suitable for some special occasions. The fabric we chose for Kate is very beautiful, and it's not too simple. People usually feel pretty comfortable wearing garments of the dark blue color. We decided to show you more of an actual sewing process. We want to show you how we work with our young customers. Next time we'll show you how to make a pattern for this dress and how to cut it. Ira will make a basic pattern for Kate. We'll show you the first fitting on this dress, and we'll also show you a review of a finished item. When this dress is ready, we'll sew something else for Kate. One more dress, or a top with a skirt maybe, whatever she wants. We are really happy that Kate agreed to take part in our tutorials. I know that you like it when I show you how we work. I really hope that Kate will get only positive feedback from you. That's all for today. Next time we'll continue working with this dress. Be different and beautiful. We are Paukšte Irina, Ira, and Kate. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.